Finally, a way to fix holes in plasterboard walls and in ceilings that is fast, cost-effective, and has DIY enthusiasts and tradesmen breathing a sigh of relief. Designed in the land of the long white cloud, New Zealand. Almost everyone has seen or experienced a hole in a drywall and seen a badly fixed lump in the wall. If you have ever tried to fix one, you know it can be a real pain. Traditional repair kits require some serious tools and advanced level of DIY skill. They also take hours or even days, usually needing glue or rustable metal components and several layers of plaster to dry. Gavin is the inventor of InflataFix and he's a master builder as well. He's repaired thousands of holes over 40 years and he realised that this product is not just good for tradesmen, it's good for everyone. So why is that the case, Gavin?
Professionals and DIY use a product that's already on the market. It's a patch that sticks to the surface. It leaves a thin film of product, it cracks easily and leaves a bulge. The old system was a backblock system that was very awkward and you need experience to actually apply it. Professionals today favour InflataFix because it's professional, it's easy, it's quick, and they don't have to come backwards and forwards to the job. You can do it within an hour, it's done, it's clean and it's tidy.
Win-win solution for everyone.
Yes.
Fixes holes in minutes, not days. No rust stains, no glue required, and no awkward workarounds.
So how does InflataFix work? I'm going to trim the hole out with a knife. Make sure there is no loose paper or sharp objects. Insert the mesh into the wall, holding it and inflating it. That now is solid and ready for plastering. I'm going to do the first coat, which is around the edges, forcing the plaster into the edges. That there is perfect for the first coat. We let that dry 5 minutes time, we can sand that off and then do the second coat and fill it up. Now we're on to the second coat. The first coat is dry. Within 5 minutes that is dried, it's all ready now to be done again with the second coat. Once again, a reasonably dry mix, not too wet. And we're going to let that dry. Another 5 or 10 minutes, that's ready to sand and ready for what we call a skimmer coat. It's taken me less than 5 minutes to get to this point, and I'm now ready for sanding. So I'm going to sand it off so it's smooth. And now we're on the third coat, which is called the skimmer coat. Just a little bit on the wall, just to finish it off. It covers up any defects or any lines. Quite simple. Pressing it in, finishing it off like that there, ready for a final paint job.
Introducing InflataFix, a simple all-in-one kit with patented inflatable back block system and a quick-drying smooth plaster. Professionals love it and everyone else does too. Buy in-store or online today.